guys, it's a Monday evening. Yesterday being Sunday, हम लोग यहाँ पे shift हुए थे. Oh my god, I can't tell you, I'm so tired of this weekend. Saturday we did the packing stuff, Sunday we moved here, and Monday morning. Firstly, I don't know what's wrong with this Monday. So I never like Mondays, okay? But this Monday was literally worst because आज सुबह सुबह हमारा Amazon से क्या क्या कैंसिल हुआ. गैस का डिलीवरी कैंसिल हुआ, टीवी का डिलीवरी, वॉशिंग मशीन का डिलीवरी डिले हुआ. आई डोंट नो, आई मीन इज अमेजोन गॉन क्रेजी? एटलीस्ट डिले कर दो ऑर्डर्स, इट्स स्टिल फाइन, बट कैंसिल करना नॉट राइट. एनीवे, सो मॉर्निंग व्हाट वी डिड इज द गैस स्टोव वाज कम्प्लीटली इम्पॉर्टेंट, तो हम जाके पहले वो लेके आ गए. And afternoon I made some parathas, aloo paratha. I was not able to vlog it because it was not aesthetic. And by the way, we are done with setting up kitchen, I guess so. I mean, yeah, like 50% of it. And afternoon what we did is कपड़े वगैरह सेट कर लिए, थोड़े से बाकी हैं, like my makeup and accessory stuffs and what do you call it, jewelry, everything's left. So we have ordered few organizers for those and we're just waiting for the delivery yet. And please ignore the mess here because we're still setting in. I mean, this weekly vlog is completely gonna be messy. Please bear with me. And oh my god, yeah, and then sometime back there was hailstorm in Pune. What's happening on this Monday? I don't know. But just to make up my mood, I have ordered for an ice cream. It's a sugar-free one because in a day or two I'll be starting my 75 hard challenge. So I thought, it's fine, let me eat it. So let's go. Let's eat some calories. Guys, what is happening today? Can you see? I placed an order from Noto, okay? And I'd called for some kunafa mini sugar-free ice cream pops. And I was so excited. I love kunafa. What I ended up receiving is this Tatsu baked tarts, and I'm so glad it's veg because we don't eat eggs. And only good thing about these tarts is it has a lemon tart, and I don't know what I'm going to do with Nutella. I guess Shrey can have it. But can this Monday be any more disappointing? Please just go this Monday, yeah. Guys, my Monday ended on a really nice note. My man made some spaghetti for me. That was a surprise, but it was so cute, so yummy. And yeah, we're just walking and gonna call it a day घर पे जाके because it was really long one. So bye, good night. Good morning, happy Tuesday, you guys. It's 11:30 right now. Or the plan for today is getting some plants, decorating our balcony. Also we got our TV delivered this morning, तो वो installation के लिए कब आएंगे we don't know. और क्या, yeah, also we might get few parcels, तो उसको we'll just set it up, organize things. So yeah, that's the plan for today. And I have to go to office as well. ठीक है, आज श्रेय घर पे रहेगा because this place is very new for Bella, so we don't want to like leave her alone for like 2-3 hours also. So yeah, that's the plan. I will be going to office and Mr. Shrey will be staying home. How will you feel? Will you miss me?
बेलू है ना.
बेलू है ना. Okay, okay. Guys, we finally have the correct dessert now. My sister being very sweet, she ordered it again. Oh my god, let's do a taste test. ये ऐसे अलग अलग से हैं. Like there are 9 pieces. One for you, one for you, and rest to me. Let's do the taste test. It's nice. It has a chocolate ka layer outside and अंदर kunafa ice cream है. Pretty good, but not very different. That you know, good.
What are you doing, Babu?
Hey vlog, it's Wednesday evening. I'm so sorry I was not able to vlog this morning because house was completely chaos. Our house help came for the first time, so I was showing her everything. Then TV got installed, we got our AquaGuard repaired, and madam has also booked an appointment from Yes Madam. So it's like just people coming and going out of the house. So that's the reason it was completely chaotic. Shrey's gone to office. But I have a coffee partner today, that's my sister. By the way, she's all dressed up like Piku because there's this Bollywood night at her office and she thinks she's looking very basic, but someone please comment and tell her that she's looking really pretty. Let me give you a close up. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, so right now what we have done is we have placed an order from Zepto. We are going to share a coffee and a croissant. Don't come on me guys, I know I'm ordering a lot, but weather made me do that. It's raining like cats and dogs and I'm a coffee person, okay, I can't. Okay, I had this idea of playing a game called this or that. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, pizza or momos?
Pizza.
I'll go for momos. Shopping or sleeping?
Shopping.
Heels or sneakers?
Snickers.
Yeah, we're same on this one. Sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
I'll go for sunrise. No, but actually it depends. If
It
it's
does
a
not.
no, if it's a beach, sunset. If it's a mountain, sunrise. She's here for outfit check. Firstly, her quad set. It's from Meesho. Super cute, super basic. Love it. Earrings. Actually mine, stolen. And the bangles. Cute. Super cute. Bye. Hey vlog, I have a parcel right here. Let's unbox it together. मुझे याद भी नहीं है इसमें क्या है because इतने सारे parcels order किए हुए हमने. Let's actually Belu's parcel. So I placed an order for this cat grass. This is supposed to be really good in vitamins. Some I don't know, it's actually good for cats. So I have ordered this one. इसमें बस पानी डाल के रखना है. It has some seeds and it will grow in like 2 or 3 days, something like that. It's my jewelry pouch and it's pink. Oh my god! It's not a jewelry pouch, it's an organizer, but let me show you. So pretty! Oh, it's really pretty and big. It's literally bigger than my face. So it has like 2 drawers like this. It has a key and a lock here. Guys, what's happening? So this one's for watches and bracelets. This one's for earrings, studs and everything. Let's open it. Oh my god, how do we do this? Finally, after ages. This is for the pendants, necklaces, and everything. Free stuff, I love it. This is for studs, earrings. It's really nice, it's so cute. A sponge also. Oh, there's a short note also. I love these customized packages. I, by the way, got it from Amazon. I'll leave a link, but let's go set it up. I'm free.
एक बैग मर गया।
हाँ
तो जैसा हम लोग धूप से घर आते हैं,
हाँ,
डायरेक्ट ठंडा पानी पीते जैसा सर्दी
तो
जैसा कुछ
खराब
होता
होती
है
है
ना,
तबीयत। राइट
ये
राइट।
सही ये भी
हाँ।
जीव है।
हाँ
ये बोलता तो नहीं है, इशारा से समझना होता है।
हाँ।
ठीक है,
हाँ।
धन्यवाद। हमारे जो था आप बताते हैं।
नहीं, थैंक यू भैया, बहुत अच्छा काम किया आपने।
मैं अब डायरेक्ट न बता पाकर मतलब बोल के बता दिया।
Hey you guys, good morning. Please ignore my oily hair, puffy face. I just got up some time back and it's 10 o'clock right now. I'm done with my walk, done with coffee, done with my morning breakfast, which was pretty simple, kakra. And yeah, that's it. That was my morning. And let me show you who's disturbing me. Who was disturbing mama? Who was disturbing mama? This cutie pie was disturbing mama. This cutie pie does not listen to anyone. है ना? No? Okay. Okay. So as I was saying, that was my morning routine. And right now, Shreya and I gone downstairs and we got a adulting thing. So we got jhadu, we got the dust pan and everything. And yesterday night there was this gardener who came and fixed the plant situation. So yeah, the balcony is pretty much messy right now, and the goal is to clean it in like next 30 minutes and get back to work because I have to cook, and we're expecting fridge delivery today, and we gotta go to office. I mean, things are just lined up. So yeah, that's the plan for now. So let's go, just jaldi se balcony clean karte hain. And then by the way, I'm making dal makhni, so I'm super excited for lunch. So let's see. Bye. Guys, we have some rice, dal makhni, one of my favorite chutney. This is red chili ka chutney, wo sukha wala, and some masmalan for lunch. Let's eat. Hey you guys, it's Thursday evening and we clearly wanted to go to office, but
I am going.
Yeah, you go. Weather had different plans and we had to can it. So we're working from home, and working from home के perks क्या होते हैं? You can have coffee nicely in your balcony. I'm having picnic also. The 90s kids, just comment down below. I love picnic and Pepini, but picnic is my all-time favorite, and bourbon biscuits too, because I'm going on diet in 2 to 3 days. Monday ko I start. Today is Thursday, so I have like 3 good days to myself. I can eat whatever I want. So guys, give me treats.
मैंने ही दिया ये.
हाँ ठीक है. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi, happy Thursday. Happy Pune weather.
Happy हनुमान जयंती.
Hey you guys, happy Friday. It's a Friday evening and अभी just to survive in office. By the way, आज office में काफ़ी मज़ा आ रही है. It's a good Friday, so very less crowd. Like you can see hardly any people where I'm walking. And also floor पे भी बहुत कम crowd है, तो we are like doing a ghost sesh. तो वही सब चल रहा था. And right now I got my coffee. And what did you get? Say hi to my vlog. So
Right.
rude.
हेलो.
इतना रूड आदमी है ये.
चौथे रीटेक के लिए.
Okay, so yeah, that's the update as of now. I was not able to vlog this morning क्योंकि कुछ ऐसा happening हुआ नहीं. We just got our washing machine delivered finally, but not yet installed. So that's one thing that happened. And my sister and Bellu left today. आज मम्मी आ गए घर पे, तो वो लोग घर गए. And I was so upset about it. बहुत ऐसा वो हो जाता है ना कि they were at home from the time we shifted, so we used to like chill together all the day. काम करते थे साथ में, तो आज थोड़ा मुझे लग रहा था, but it's fine. Cheers. Hello, I'm back home and it's 11:45 right now. I'm just gonna go to sleep. That's my comfortable, like it's a cotton night suit, so I love it. I got it from Myntra. I will add a link in description. And yeah, I guess I will end this vlog right here. I wanted to continue it till tomorrow because it's 4th of April and it was supposed to be, I mean we were supposed to be attending Honey Singh's concert, but it got delayed. So now it's on 18th को है ना? Yeah, 18th of April. So yeah, of course I'll be vlogging the day for you guys. And yeah, I hope you like this vlog. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all the good things that you can because it's for free. Bye, good night.